Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Amelia. My student number A1B2211009. Okay, here I will explain again about how to learning English in the video. Yes, first all, he has helped other Malaysian and South Asian to speak a better English. He had discovered a very shocking truth. Have found that how well a person and communication in English actually very little to do with their level of English. This has a lot to do with their attitude toward to English language. There are people out there who have very low level of English and they can communicate very well. And of the he remember was a student, and of the participant was named Faisal. He is a very superpower, very low level of English, but this person can only sit and listen to any very calm, clear, and there he called answer really express his talk beautifully. If we went to speak with the calm and clear confidence honored by this lack of Faisal, fears of all, and not the many Malaysians speak English with the some fear the kind of feeling that they will be judged. We how many mistakes they will make and they will script up or not. Now the second similarity to not has to do with self-image. Many Malaysian with Faisal entered into the English convention. He did feel judged. He is completely focused of the person he's talking to, and the desired result he has no self. Don't think about his of puzzle. A really real and tangible example. The fan of victory, some who speak English like play the piano, and someone speak English he's playing a computer game. So we have two different type of communication. We have people who have a high level but really focus on himself and doing it right, and therefore very effective. We have another and low level, really focus on the person he was talking to getting result effective, and there has difference no way, and this difference so important not only to us to our children but for future of Malaysia and continent like Malaysia. And to answer that, let's see what actually speak English into the world. So if we look at all the English conversation around the world happening now planet Earth, now the challenge in that we know in school around the world, English is really tongue like is to play with in the still tongue like art be mastered, and student are juga more basic and through the clarity the people take the attitude they develop about English to in school, and their calm into their life, into their work. In the first, the listening what our people have to say to Scott. There you have to do is talk. You mean is kind of that, and vocabulary is cannot desperate, and the word don't come out. The birds thing to do confident. So if you cannot speak English like Faisal confident has can do ways you speak you tell the focus on yourself, focus on other person and the result you want to achieve. Imagine to the next generation of Malaysian L with the ensemble consider communication. The Faisal has at all level of English, because let's remember that English today is not art to be mastered, is just to asset to get result, and the tool in ours that my delivery